Hello, good day, good afternoon, good evening, good morning, depending on the time you'll be opening this video. Actually, I am creating this short video to help explain something to us. I've requested for a data from the various schools so that we can all work within time for uploading into the new Emis system that we have worked on as a district and as the region per whole. I'll be sending this Excel template onto the page for all the heads and IT teachers to help complete this data once and for all. I was just testing it to make sure that everything works. So that's why you can see that there is data in it. Some parts are locked, so when you are deleting it will be asking of data validations depending on what you have entered. This Excel template is 5 in 1, and it will demand that we come for a workshop, but time is not on our side. So let me explain this in a very short video. If you don't understand anything per the template, you only go back to the video, you watch it, and you are good to go. The first section is school, the second is enrollment, the third is classroom, the fourth is furniture, and the fifth is staffing. Very simple for us to have them by Thursday so that we can upload them onto our system. The first is the Emis code, and by Emis code we are saying that the 2022 school census that we had Emis codes, and we are saying that those Emis codes are what are demanding of us. So you enter the Emis code of your school. So this one school's Emis code, and you type the name of the school. I'm choosing a school that is having this Emis code, Agonya Islamic Basic School. Then the circuit is Agonya. Then the location is also Agonya for short. Then the level, by level you can see that it came as a drop down. You select if it is KG and primary, you do just that. Then the type of school, private or public, you choose. Then the year the school is established, you type it there. Then the stream, if your school is just one stream, you indicate. If it is 2 like A and B, you indicate 2. If it is 3 like Agomina RC, JHS or primary, which is 3 stream. If it is 4 streams like Montgomery demonstration, you do that. Then if it's a cluster by cluster, we have 2 or 3 different schools on one school compound. Then the management, you also do that. If by management we are saying that if your school is a Presbyterian school, it's a Catholic school, it's an Anglican school, it's an MA or DA, or if it's an Islamic school, you will just indicate Islamic. If your school is part of the Gallup schools, then you indicate yes. If it's a Gallup, because we have about 14 Gallup schools in the municipal. If your school is benefiting from school feeding, you indicate deprived, you do that. The digital address of the school, the head teacher's information, the contact of that head, the Ghanaian language that is being spoken there in your school, the prominent language in the community, and if the school is running shifts. When you are done with that, you come to section 2, which is enrollment. And I know with preschool, no public school is having that, but from KG, you start entering the information there, and it goes. You just enter your enrollment, like I was saying, and it goes. Then, when you are finished, the parameters in yours, boys and girls, then you come to classroom. By classroom, we are saying that the permanent classroom for KG, primary, and JHS, you indicate all of them. Then the classroom for KG that are in bad conditions and need major repair, you indicate them. Mind you that the number here should either be equal to or less than that, because if you are saying you have 2 classrooms and you are saying that the ones that need major repair are 5, then it doesn't matter. Then the bad classroom condition for the primary, it goes, and JHS in that order. Then the toilet facility, what type of them? KVIP or then you come to urinal in your school, water source where you get electricity, just like we do in the census. Then when you are done with that, you come to furniture. You indicate the information there as it's per your school. Then you come to your staffing. If you are having an information of your staff where they are already in an Excel template, you can go and copy it. So let me use the heads information here as an example to do that. I'm using the heads. But here is where the challenge will be. If you are having all of them, that's the gender, that's male and female in caps, you need to work on it before you can paste that one too. Male and female. So these are drop down, you only select them. So if it's a male, you do that. Then if it is a female, you do that. You just indicate it and you move to the next one. If it is also a, then you come to the next section, which is date of birth. And please watch the data sets as we wanted. The year first, so the year maybe 1972 dash maybe 01 January 28. Then you move on to the next staff ID of the teacher, which is 4581 whatever. Then you come to the date of first appointment. You indicate that for the teacher, the year must come, then the rank of that teacher, the year the teacher was put on that rank. Then you come to the teacher registered number or teacher registered number. It could be one maybe 209. Then it can be the category of teacher, whether that teacher is a trained teacher or not. By trained teacher, we know that teacher have attended training college or you have attended university, who is having an education certificate. That's what we mean. Yes or no, you just select that. Then the highest qualification, degree, master's, diploma, set A, you just indicate, and it goes on. Then the area of specialization for the teacher, maybe that teacher did a general course for a diploma, and then you indicate. If that teacher had a master's in basic education, you indicate. But that teacher have a degree in maths, you state that. Then for primary teachers, you indicate the class. KG primary, you indicate the class that teacher is teaching. If it's a head and it's the primary, you leave that place blank because we only have the classes. Then we come to the number of periods that teacher teaches for the week. That's per week. Then JHS, the subject that teacher is teaching, the SNIT number of the teacher. So it means if your school is only a basic school, you will leave that place. If not, then you have to. Then we come to the date of birth. Year posted that teacher have been posted to the school. So 2019, that teacher can be posted to 1st October 2019. Then 2019, 1st October, that way. Then you move on to additional responsibility. That teacher could be a chef, could be an assistant head, can be a sports teacher. The phone number, the salary point and type which you will get on the pay slip, the SNIT number which starts with PT slash some numbers slash maybe the year you even completed school, which you will get them. So it could be 206 in that order. Then a multi-grade. By multi-grade, we are saying that a teacher is either teaching 2 classes, so the teacher is teaching class 3 and class 4. combine. That's what we mean by multi-grade. Teachers, thank you. Hey teachers, thank you. This is what we'll be demanding from you, and we pray that by Monday this Excel sheet will be with you. If you have issues, the video is just to help and guide. If you kindly contact your ICT teachers to help you do this, and when you are done, you send it through the office email like we normally do. Thank you and God bless you.